One of life's small annoyances is a pair of pliers that doesn't fall open. See that? How unhandy is that? You're using, these are diagonals, but you gotta push them open. I mean, and if they get really rusty, you gotta use two hands. That's hard up on a ladder when you're trying to reach up and do some work and the darn thing won't fall open. You want it to work like this, right? I mean, that's what you want. So the natural position of the tool is open and ready to work. You need some kind of a reciprocating saw. We're using a Sawzall. Drill a hole in the end of the blade, fasten some sort of a loop on there that'll embrace and keep a hold of the handle on your plier. You need a pair of pliers that you want to fix. You need a rag to protect the handle and some sort of an oil, a penetrating oil preferably. If you've got a vise, it's a bonus. If you don't have a vise, use a couple boards and screw them together to hold the handle immobile. Put a little oil on there. All we're doing is mocking up about 10,000 hours of service in about 30 seconds. Look at that. Just like I've been using them for 5 years. They're back.